Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the construction and development of various projects, including those in Noida Sector 76. Noida, a city adjacent to Delhi, has experienced rapid growth in recent years, leading to the need for professional surveyors who can accurately measure and map out the land. The use of total stations has become increasingly popular in these surveys due to their advanced technology and high precision. Located in Delhi, SCON Design is a reputable firm that offers total station surveying services in Noida Sector 76. With their team of skilled surveyors and state-of-the-art equipment, they provide accurate and reliable measurements for various projects. Whether it's a residential complex, commercial building, or infrastructure development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle the surveying requirements. Noida Sector 76 is an area that has witnessed significant growth in recent years, with numerous construction projects taking place. This has created a demand for professional surveyors who can accurately assess and measure the land for these projects. Total station surveyors are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to measure distances, angles, and heights with high precision. This ensures that the construction process is carried out efficiently and avoids any errors or discrepancies. SCON Design, based in Delhi, understands the importance of accurate surveying in Noida Sector 76. They have a team of experienced total station surveyors who are well-versed in using the latest equipment and techniques to deliver precise measurements. Their expertise extends to various aspects of surveying, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. In addition to their expertise in total station surveying, SCON Design also offers other services related to land development and construction. Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the development and construction industry. These professionals are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping out land areas, ensuring that construction projects are implemented with precision and accuracy. In Noida Sector 76, which is experiencing rapid urban development, the demand for total station surveyors is high. These experts utilize advanced technology and equipment, such as total stations, to gather data on land boundaries, topography, and existing structures. By employing their expertise in surveying techniques, they provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and developers to ensure the successful implementation of construction projects. Noida Sector 76 is a prime location for real estate development and infrastructure projects. The area offers a range of residential and commercial properties that are in high demand. Before any construction can begin, it is essential to accurately survey the land to determine its boundaries and any potential obstacles. Total station surveyors use sophisticated tools like total